Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We modified present formula such that leading positive signs are not displayed. Today I would like to bring to your attention another small cosmetic issue. This is the result of the 7 test. The left hand side initially had just a 0 token, that was fine. But then we move f times x to the left hand side and we have 0 minus f times x. That's correct, but we shouldn't have this 0 here. Okay, so I will create a function that will enforce this rule. It will take a hand side token left or right, and it will remove the 0 if it finds that is this case. So I will just call this function clean 0 token. So I will say define clean 0 tokens. The parameter will be the token, so the hand side tokens, colon, indenting with 2 spaces, and I will first check if this hand side tokens has a length that is larger than 1. So len of hand side tokens, it's larger than 1. Then in this case I have to check the first token if it is a 0. So I will say if hand side tokens at index 0, it's in, I will say, so if it is a 0, if it is a plus 0 or minus 0, okay, colon again. So in this specific case I will say hand side tokens pop, so take out one item. I will take the item at the position 0 and I will return the hand side tokens. Okay, so if it's not the case, it will return the same tokens. If it has the size larger than 1 and it starts with a 0, it will return a list that doesn't have the 0 at the beginning. Now, here and here while moving a token from one side to the other. So we are moving a token from left hand side to the right hand side, and then we'll say, okay, so let's just check if we have to take out a 0 from the right hand side tokens. So I'll say right hand side tokens, it's equal clean 0 tokens of right hand side tokens. And I will do the same thing when I am moving a token to the left hand side, so which is here. And I will modify the left hand side tokens. Okay, so that should be all. I will save it and I will test all 7 cases. I will start with case 7. Okay, so 0 is not here anymore. Test case 6. This passed. Test case 5. Okay, so this case had a 0 here and then it was taken out. So it put a 0, then it removed the 0. Very good. Test case 4. Passed. Test case 3. Passed as well. Test case 2. Also passed. And now our original case passed as well. Okay, so we fixed it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.